Welcome to Canggu, Bali, Indonesia, actually Canggu Berava, and this is probably the most busiest part of Bali so far in 2022. Let's check this out. Honey, what are you doing?
So we start our video here, sitting just watching the traffic in the intersection of the Atlas Beach Club and also Fins Beach Club. You see, with the small road and the number of the transport cars, motorbikes, is just like such a big mess.
And this is not a Friday or Saturday night, it's just Sunday afternoon. So it's not that 100% busy how it used to be yesterday, for instance, right? Anyway, the Atlas. I also make a special video in Atlas. If any one of you are interested about the review, I make a comprehensive review of this place, the brand new place in Canggu. So this is the area of the VIP Fins and the Saint-Tropez entry. Overall situation on the streets. And this is the entrance to the famous Fins Beach Club in Canggu. It's always busy. Always busy, always so many people trying to come over here, blocking the way for walking peacefully.
We are on a Pantai Barawa in Canggu, and you see that behind me is the world famous Fins Beach Club. And you see that people are sitting there, enjoying their drinks, enjoying their meals. We will be, watching sunset soon. From here, I only can say the Fins Beach Club is full house.
So we came to Canggu, making the video about, another regular Sunday in Canggu, Bali. What you can do, go to the beach club or enjoy the, sunset on the beach. And we met Sonia and Aaron from the project Nightfall, which is like so nice. Thank you so much, guys, for pictures together.
Yeah, so we will put the pictures here. Oh, they are so lovely couple.
So lovely.
And we met one beautiful couple from Amsterdam, just came to Bali, and they said they stay in Seminyak. So walk around and to see how is the hype of Canggu Brawa.
Exactly, guys. Whatever, like I said already many times in this past week, either you like it or not, the most action right now is in Canggu.
Everybody coming to Canggu is because of, you see?
Canggu or Ubud in general, Ubud also busy. So yeah, let's explore a little bit more. What's going on today over here?
Okay, honey, let us continue our vlog today because when we arrived, we just met many people. What I can observe here, guys, in the Fins Beach Club behind me, from the type of the tourists that I can see that dominantly they are international tourists. But if we go further there in the Atlas Beach Club, the type of tourist is mostly local domestic tourists. So it seems like more and more people coming to Atlas Beach Club because that is the brand new beach club, and they promote it as the biggest beach club in Southeast Asia. And then I think that many local domestic tourists are very curious, and I see from the cars, mostly like the cars coming from the registration, coming from the outside of the Bali. And behind me, even like in the Saint-Tropez Fins Beach Club, they are dominantly international tourists who enjoying their time in Bali, having a drink, swimming by the pool and watching the sunset.
This is famous Atlas Beach Club, I think the biggest beach club in Southeast Asia. I make a special video about that when I mentioned at the beginning of today's vlog. So you can watch it if you are looking how it looks deep inside. However, we are talking today also about what you can do at Sunday. So another option is this one. And also this beach club is popular for the world famous DJs. Just 2 or 3 days ago, Alan Walker was playing here, and another, actually so many DJs. Even Steve Aoki gonna come very soon, and who knows who else. So if you like parties and you are looking for, DJs, events and stuff like this is where you have to look for.
So this is it, Atlas Beach Club. Well, I can say that from the people enjoying the beach, they are mostly, local domestic, and some of them are international tourists also. But if you compare with the Fins Beach Club, I think that Fins got more international tourists. Whenever you come to Canggu, so this is what you can expect happening in Canggu nowadays. So from that one, I think that from the Mari Beach Club and then go to Love 8 Beach Club and then Finch Beach Club, San Tropez, and the last one is Atlas Beach Club. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beach clubs actually. So in the area, so what I can say, guys, this is how it is. The reality in Bali is about Canggu, Brawa area. Busy, but the trend, yes, beach club.
Now guys, also you have to answer yourself, and you can answer me in the comment section as well. What do you prefer? You prefer fancy, flashy beach clubs like this one? Or you prefer local warungs, what used to be here a long time ago? You also vlog, actually we vlog everything. You know, it's hard to find a place what we didn't vlog actually, rather what we vlog, because we've been everywhere for the last 2.5 years. Yeah, let me know if you're looking for the local warungs. Actually, you can still find outside the zone of the beach clubs. Actually over there, and there are also so many people. Overall, there are so many people inside the beach clubs and so many people outside the beach clubs. So, like I said already, almost every day, Bali has so much variety, and everyone can find something what suitable is for you guys. So yeah,
Like someone said, Bali is cater to everyone. If you don't like beach club, you can go, you know, deep inside to the north or to the east Bali, enjoying the, you know, Bali vibe. Or if you like to go shopping or you like to go beach club, just go to the south Bali.